Here is an uncomfortable truth about most teams. You do not have a skills problem, you have a visibility problem. You staff projects from memory and then find out that someone was the only person who could do a critical job the week they hand in their notice. The skills matrix fixes that. It turns what everyone half knows into one board you can actually read. It starts on the Employee Skills tab. Every person runs down the side, every skill runs across the top, and you give each one a score from 0 to 5, from no skill up to expert. The board colors itself into a heat map. Dark cells are real depth. Pale cells are thin spots. It is your whole team, honestly, on one screen. You define the skills once on the Skills Setup tab, grouped the way your team actually works, and you set the level each one requires. That required level is the bar. Now the board is not just colorful. Every score is measured against the standard the work demands, not against a guess. On the Project Skills tab, you say what your upcoming work actually needs, how much of each skill, and at what level. This is the piece most teams skip. Capability only matters relative to demand. Being deep in a skill nobody needs is not strength, and a thin skill every project leans on is a real risk. The Gap Analysis tab puts capability and demand side by side and hands you a clear status for every skill. Where you are covered, where you are stretched, and where you are exposed. No more debating it in a meeting from memory. The workbook does the comparison and tells you exactly where to look first. This is the tab that earns its keep. Coverage and key person risk counts how many people can actually do each skill at the level you require. When that count is 1, you have a single point of failure. 1 resignation, 1 vacation, and the work stops. The board flags every one of them, so you can fix it on purpose instead of finding out the hard way. Once you can see the gaps and the risks, the Development Plan tab is where you act. Who develops which skill next, who mentors them, and by when. It is a plain dated plan you own, and update yourself, turning the flagged rows into your next few months of quiet, deliberate progress. And the dashboard pulls it all together. Coverage, gaps, and key person risk for the whole team on a single screen. It is the view to put up in a planning meeting, so the conversation starts from the picture instead of from opinions. Best of all, you own the file outright. It opens in Excel, Google Sheets, and LibreOffice with no seats, no add-ins, and no monthly fee. The Skills Matrix is a one-time purchase, yours to keep. Find it on Ardent Workshop or Etsy, and try the free starter version first if you like. See your team clearly. Own it. Do not rent it.